Hi guys, excuse me, this video is how to play Ain't No Sunshine. Ain't No Sunshine, which is Gone by Bill Withers, and let's get right to it. The chords are very simple. I'll show you the basic fingering and strumming, and what's the other thing I wanted to tell you? I'll tell you the chords beforehand, show you how they go, and it's pretty much the whole song. It's pretty easy to do. If you're just beginning, watch the fingering very carefully and practice the strumming. It shouldn't take you too much time to get this down at all. So let's get right to it. Okay, first chord is A minor, as fingered. I don't know if I can break this down that small. If you have a chord chart, would help a great deal. But it's A minor, E, D, and F is the whole song. So it starts out A minor, which if you can't see, I'm hoping you can see. Camera's kind of limited here, but this is give you the best I can. So it starts out like this. It's 4 down. It starts out 2 down actually. So it's A minor, A minor, E, A minor, A minor, E, A minor. Then comes D and F, back to A minor, E, A minor, same thing. A minor, E, A minor, then back to D, D, and F, back to the A minor, E, A minor, and that's basically the whole song. So the way it goes with the lyrics is, and it's got the part in the bridge in it that goes I know, and that's, you just stick on the A minor and then go to the D and the F. So with the lyrics, the way it goes would be, it starts out with the A minor, Anos, forget if it starts out without the guitar or not, but let's see. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, A minor, E, only darkness when she's away, A minor, E, to D. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and F, house just ain't no home, back to E minor, A, E minor. Don't know where she's gone today, A minor, E. Don't know if she's gonna stay, A minor, E, A minor. Back to ain't no sunshine when she's gone, to F, this house just ain't no home. And that's the whole thing for the verse and the chorus. Now it's got the bridge that goes, it just stays on A minor, it goes I know, double time. I know, on the A minor, I know, to D, F, back to A minor, E, A minor. If you want to do that again, same thing, you stay on A minor. I know, gonna D, leave the young thing alone. F, ain't no sunshine when she's gone, only darkness when she's away, A minor, E, A minor, to the D. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, this house just ain't no home, and Anytime she goes away. Hold these up, hold it up where you can see it. Okay. A minor, E, A minor, A minor, E, A minor, to D, and F, back to A minor, E, A minor. And that's the whole thing, guys. If you want, I can make up a chord chart showing you the exact fingering if you're having any trouble finding those chords. I'm assuming, and maybe I'm wrong, but I'm assuming watching this video at this point that you know the basic open chords. If not, leave me a comment and I'll make up a chart with them printed out showing you the exact fingering. But again, that's A minor. How can I show you better how it's fingered? It's got your index finger on the second string, first fret, be fourth string, second fret, and third string, second fret is the A minor. I can't believe I remembered that much. Then E minor is, then E rather, you move everything up one string. You go up one string on everything. So A minor, E, then to the D, fingered like, see, your ring finger is on the second string here, this one, and your middle finger is on the high E, this one here, and then your what do you call it? Your ring finger is on the third string, second fret. So that's your D, and you strum it from the fourth string down. This guitar is a hair out of tune. I have to put up with that for a second. So ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't to F. The F is first two strings at the first fret, third fret middle finger, fourth fret, third fret third finger. So that's your F right there. Then back to the same thing, the A minor, E, A minor, A minor, E, A minor, and again back to the D, to the F. It comes right back to anytime she goes away. Now, if you don't know the chords, please leave me some comments, and I'll print up a nice chord chart that you can see all the open chords and the bar chords. I'm just assuming at this point that you at least are familiar with the open chords. But again, if those of you that aren't, please let me know, because I think I'm going to start teaching a great deal more, because well, I'm bored. So, and I want to help other people. So the videos will be getting better and better. I'll be using a better camera. We'll get better close-ups of the chords, because I'm trying to find a way to give you a better shot of this so you can actually see it. There you can see the A minor better. Then the E, how it goes up, everything goes up one. Then the D is here, and the F is there. So I hope that was a help to you, and again, leave me comments, let me know if there's anything more you want to know, if you want chord charts. My name is Jim Carey, but I go by The Jim Carey because of the other Jim Carey, and thank God I'm not hearing too much from him anymore. But thanks a lot for watching, and I hope this was some help. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. My channel is The Jim Carey. Please subscribe if you liked the video, and even if you didn't, because I'm going to be doing a lot more. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.